This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracey Young. Immaculate Tiburon corner unit with 2-bedroom suites, 2.5 baths and an oversized wrap-around balcony. All new impact windows, sliding doors and new screening just installed. The furnishings are light and impeccably cared for. 2 garage spaces are available with this rental. Ventanas features the largest pool in Tiburon with 2 lap lanes, separate spa, covered poolside dining/lounging areas, a giant pool deck with stellar views of the first fairway. Ventanas is a double-gated community with a manned guard gate and a gated lobby and garage entry. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracey Young at 239-209-7511.